Hi, in front of me is VIVO V29 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. First of all, just hold your search bar and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, just click remove. As you can see, after that, my search bar was successfully deleted. But you can always just hold your device's screen instead and click on this remove icon at the top left corner of your search bar. Then tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!